I will talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your Limap. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in first, you just go here above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do next, you just click on settings here. When you just click here on settings, it's going to take you to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. You come here to receive discounts and news by push notifications and email. Click in this sign. Like you see this color here show for us. That's mean it's enabled with us now. So that's all you have to do. That's all I wish know you I get it. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe. Thank you for your watching.